When I go to the Bible itself, I find many verses that show Jesus not to be God, rather Jesus to be a servant or a prophet of God. So look at this. This is in Matthew, right? 21:11. So the multitude, the people that were there, the original disciples, when they saw Jesus and his miracles, what did it say? This is Jesus, the prophet from Nazareth of Galilee. But you're saying that for them to call him a prophet, they were wrong.
Yeah, I mean, I
But
think you
but
see it.
but Jesus himself called himself a prophet. In Luke, he says, I must journey today, tomorrow, and the day following, for it cannot be that a prophet should perish outside of Jerusalem. So Jesus is not saying, I am God. He's saying, I am a prophet. This is in Timothy. So it says, for there is one God, and the mediator between God and men, that is the man Jesus Christ. That's clearly separating Jesus from God, right? In John 17:3. And this is eternal life. Now, this is the red line. So, according to Christians, the words of Jesus, that they may know you, the only true God, and Jesus Christ, whom you have sent.
The thing is, though, us believing that Jesus is fully man and fully God, and being like, so
No,
I
but
think
does that
like
make
with
sense, though?
that,
Right? God being fully man and fully God. Like God would know everything, right?
there's confusing sides to it, but I mean, there's things
And
though that
God's not the author of confusion, right? According to the Bible.